If I woke up tomorrow with no money, no audience, and nothing to fall back on, I would not panic. I would not start scrambling. And I definitely would not jump to 100 different business ideas just to feel productive. I would sit down, take a deep breath, and rebuild, but this time with strategy and not in survival mode. So today I want to walk you through step by step what I would do if I had to start over from $0. So this is the mindset reset that nobody talks about. I used to think that strategy would be the first step, but it's definitely not. Strategy does not matter if your head is loud, if it's messy, unorganized, if you're stressed, or if you're in crisis mode. So if I had $0, the first thing I would do is get my mind quiet enough to actually be able to hear my next step. Because the terrible truth about it is that when you're broke, your brain will try to drag you back into desperation mode. And that's where bad decisions come from. That's where overthinking comes from. That's where copying comes from. And that's where inconsistency comes from. So step one is that I would get my inner narrative under control. And the way I would do that is pretty simple. I would get a journal and I would write, what story am I repeating that's keeping me broke? Whose voice is this? What do I need to believe today to move differently? What feeling do I need to hold for the next month? You're probably wondering why you would need to do this, because you cannot build a profitable business from a place of survival thinking. You need strategic thinking. You need creative thinking. You need possibility thinking. And this doesn't just take money, it takes intention. So the first 10K skill that I would master first would be market awareness. If I had $0 and no audience, the very first skill that I would pick up before I ever made a product is understanding what people actually want to buy. Not guessing, not assuming, not, I think this is cute. This skill is market awareness, because if you know how to read demand, you will never be broke again. And I'm talking about what people are searching for, what people complain about, what people are in other creators' DMs asking about, and what people pay for even when money is tight. This one skill becomes your compass. And if you can read demand, digital products, courses, services, anything that you create becomes 10 times easier to sell. And if I had no audience, I would become the person who understands the market better than the people with audiences. Here is how I would pick my money vehicle. Once my brain is clear and I understand the demand, I would pick a money vehicle that does not require me to be on all day. Because with no audience, the worst thing that you can do is choose a business model that constantly forces you to show up, to talk, to perform, to post. I would pick something that gives me leverage, something that lets me build once and sell many, many times, something that has a growing demand, something that does not require a big following, and something that I can start fast. And for me, that's digital products. And it's not because everyone is doing it. It's because it's the fastest bridge between zero and sustainable income without trading time for money. So if you're starting over from nothing, create one thing that solves an urgent problem for one type of person. That's it. How I would figure out what to sell. This part is important. I wouldn't create a random template. I wouldn't guess. I wouldn't doom scroll through TikTok for trendy ideas. I would go straight to where people are spending money and I would find what they're struggling with today. If I had $0, I would look at Etsy search trends, Pinterest trends, TikTok comments under the creators in my niche, Amazon reviews, Reddit threads, Facebook group questions, and I would ask myself, what are people overwhelmed by that I can solve with one simple digital solution? Here are some examples. Busy moms drowning in holidays? Create a holiday planner. Business owners? Create order forms and branding sheets. Students? Create study templates. New entrepreneurs? Create content calendars. People improving their health? Habit trackers. Couples? Relationship worksheets. Churches? Event templates. I would look for repetition, urgency, complaints, and emotional language, because the product that wins is the one that solves the thing that someone is tired of dealing with, not the thing that they kind of want someday. The fastest way that I would make my first $1,000, and this is where most people mess up. When they hear digital products, they think, oh, I need 10 items. No. If I had $0, I would create one high demand, low resistance digital product, and I would market it like it's my full-time job. I would focus on solving one pain problem, making one beautiful, clear listing, and creating one strong piece of messaging. One product can absolutely make you $1,000. You just need the right product, the right problem, and the right clarity. So here is what I would do for 30 days straight. Days 1 through 3, I would set my inner narrative, I would define my buyer, and I would identify one problem that I solve. Days 4 through 7, I would research, validate, and decide on one digital product. Days 8 through 14, I would create the product, refine the promise, build the listing, and design clear visuals. Days 15 through 22, I would start posting content that solves the exact problem that my product solves. Not aesthetic, not cute, but actionable. Days 23 through 30, I would build trust, build a pattern, share results, share lessons, and share the system. And I would not jump around. I would stay on the one thing until it works. Starting over from scratch is not a bad thing. It's clarity, it's clean energy, it's focus, and it's a chance to build with intention instead of trying to fix something that was built during survival mode. If I had to start over, I would build something smarter, not harder, something sustainable, something that grows even when I'm offline. If you're in a season where you feel like you're starting over, where it's literally zero or you just feel stuck, I have created Digital Product Millionaire, my step-by-step system to walk you through the entire process of creating, selling, and scaling your digital products. The clarity, the messaging, the alignment, the demand, and the income. If you're rebuilding, you don't need more noise. You need framework. And that's exactly what I built it for. If you're ready to feel unstuck, I will leave the link for Digital Product Millionaire in the comments. I will see you inside.